So now you've got predictive analytics, mobility, consumerization, big data, cloud. You've got this burning platform that your business peers are very excited about, but you've got an infrastructure frozen in time. So the way I conceptualize this now is as an iceberg. Above the waterline, 10%, 20% of your total IT spend is on all the beautiful capabilities. It's above sea level, everybody can see it. It's the tip of the iceberg, it's gleaming in the sun, and it's got promise and mobility and analytics and big data and all the wonderful things. But lurking below sea level, which only the IT organization is privy to, is the rest of it. 80% of it, and it's bloated, and it's expensive, and it's loosely integrated, and it's not secure. That, to me, is the archivist futurist paradox. So, he agreed. Infrastructure, engineering, innovation is important, but what he said is, do not, under any circumstances, expect applause or a raise when you have dismantled the iceberg. Since no one in the business sees the iceberg, and no one understands that the iceberg is real and it is ours, they cannot understand that what used to be under the water now looks and behaves completely differently. Business leaders will understand cost, headcount, throughput, and all of the new capabilities which run on top of the iceberg. These are the likely places for applause. Expecting recognition and compensation for what you do below the waterline is not advised. Do not fight that battle. Praise for what happens under the waterline only comes from industry peers. So on that note, I was asked, this is the first time I've ever done this, I was asked by an organization I'm going to mention in a few minutes in more detail called TBM to run their awards program this year, something I've never done, and they asked me to come up with some new awards categories for IT leaders. So I have the Infrastructure Trailblazer Award. It's a peer organization, so a peer awards category, and I guess the last thing I'll say on this is, in IT, it's all about communication and leadership and relationships and all of that. Let's not forget that what you do below the waterline, that's where the value is for your business as much as what you do above. But the paradox is nobody knows about it except you. So anyway, and then they became COO. But the point is for all of you, taking what you are learning in IT and bringing that enterprise-wide is one way to have IT be less of a silo and more as an enterprise leadership organization. As an IT organization, to become the best IT organization you can be, to become world-class IT, all you need to do is be really strategic and really operational, be innovative, think out of the box, but by no means make any mistakes. Think about your external customers, think about your internal operations. Be very focused on getting things done, but also spend a lot of time with other people. If you can do all of that, and you can walk on water, you have what it takes to be a winning IT organization for the next decade. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Thanks very much for your time and attention.